Purchasing this, okay. Screw it. Go, 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 go! Fire! Fight! Go! Attack! Fight! Go, go! God! Yes! Fight! Go, go, go! Rush through! Rush through! Go, go, go! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Go, go, go! Shoot them all! Go! Go, go, go! After reload! After reload! Oh, come on! Fire! Fire! Open the gates! Open the gates! Shoot! Shoot! Go! Go, Seth! Oh! Oh, I still have a minigun! I still have a minigun! Let's go! Let's go! Go! Rush in! Rush in! Rush in, boys!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fire! Go! 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 Rush in! Rush in! Go! Go through the store. Oh crap! I'm shooting them from here! I'm shooting them from here! Let's go! Go, 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 go! Wait! I think that's one of our teammates. Everyone's just rushing in. I am a heavy weapons guy. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Minigun riot! Yes! Oh, watch out! Through the door! Through the door! Fire! 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 Shoot them all! Shoot them all! Shoot them all! Don't let the robux go to waste! Fire! Fire! Oh my gosh, this is so OP! Look at all of us with miniguns! Let's go! Don't let the robux go to waste! Don't let the robux go to waste. Use it wisely. Use it wisely. Oh, this is the greatest prison escape ever. I gave everyone miniguns and then oh crap. I'm about to die. Seth, save me. There's many guards coming. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Sideways, sideways. We lost Chunky Boy. I wonder what their reaction will be once it's over. I'm accidentally shooting my own teammates in the process. Oh no, I've fallen. Wait. Someone has a golden minigun. The test subject riot is now over. Use the minigun! Just keep using! Just keep using! Sup, officer? You're not leaving alive. I'm actually okay. Crap. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Crap. There's more security court people. I have to get out. Oh, crap. I have to get out of here. No! I died. Ah. Alright, screw it. I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Go! Shoot him! Shoot them all! Shoot them all! Shoot them all! Go! 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 Shoot! Shoot! Okay. I unleashed the. Well, I started a new ride. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Dude, look, there's so many people with miniguns. For everyone. Alright, just surround them, go, go, go. Just rush in, just rush in, screw it. Russian! 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 We're going to the security. Oh, we're going into the spawn. Okay, okay, I think this is bad. Shoot them all, shoot them all. You got killed? Everyone's dying when they're getting in there. Alright, I'm getting in there as well. Come on, come on, come on, shoot me. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. No. Through the window. Damn, there's a lot of minigun guys. Whoa, 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 whoa! Through the door! Through the door! This is where they. Wait, kill them all! Kill them all! Oh my gosh! Wait, what's this? What's this? Wait, we're inside something. Wait, is this a prison? We're in this little room. Knock, knock. I feel these guys. I feel sad for these guys. Once everyone is dead, or oh yep, they're starting to shoot a lot of us. They're taking their revenge. They're taking their revenge. Oh no. Okay, yep, I'm dead. It's FBI. FBI, let's go, let's go. FBI, open up! FBI, open up! Move. Where are you guys?
I see an IKEA dude.
Fuck, that actually scared me.
Oh yeah, I can see what you're talking about. I can see.
Oh, really?
Nah, there's
Oh,
just like
crap,
a.
there's an IKEA person.
Wait. Where I am, there's like just a massive building that someone's making.
You mean this giant pillar?
I'm making a tower
There's a
of
giant
beds.
pillar for me.
I'm making a tower of beds. For
Nah,
you.
this one's like lopsided. This one's lopsided. I'm jumping up it. I'm going up it now.
There's an IKEA
So
person
I'm at
right next to me. I'm scared.
Burger. I'm at Burger. Knowledge is power. In microwave. Bob Ross.
Ah! Oh no, I fell down! Ow! Ow!
Rip Jamie.
This is actually kind of scary. Okay.
I died once.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. There's an IKEA person right next to me.
They're passive at day, but hostile at night.
Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Time to go. I'm going on top of my beds.
Me using my bed tower to survive!
Oh crap. There's an IKEA person. There's an IKEA person right below me. Yes, they can't get up. They're trying to get up.
Are you stacked upon two beds?
I'm on top, and then I stacked beds up. Oh crap.
His name was Nathan or something.
Oh, thank goodness.
Okay, good. Thank
Okay.
fuck.
Holy crap, there was an IKEA
And-
person right there.
I just see my bed structure.
Alright, I'm picking up a D7.
Oh, so alright, I've got like a
Yes, I
got a
see you.
bed door
I
now.
see you. Yes.
Yo!
Let's
What's up?
go.
Hey!
Oh my god.
Hey, welcome to my place, man.
Oh, nice.
Alright,
You're gonna have
come up.
sleepover?
Come up. Okay, let me place this here. Hey, sup, man?
Yo, sub. You
How-
just turned
how
the
is it?
bed,
How is it?
over.
How is it?
It's doing good. What's this pallet? Oh
Yeah.
crap, I didn't mean to grab that.
Okay, hang on.
Alright.
Let me just.
I'm gonna grab
Can
this
I
cube.
turn this over?
I'm gonna grab
I
this game cube so that
can.
we can play like Call of Duty.
Alright. Now let me grab this lamp. Let me grab this lamp.
All we have to do
I'm
is
gonna
try
put-
find stuff.
Yeah. Alright,
Alright.
let me grab this lamp here. And I'm gonna put it
I found a lemon
here.
for us.
Actually.
Wait, hold on. I
Alright,
have a great
alright.
suggestion. We need to grab some lamps so that we can see.
I don't know where Seth is.
Oh, crap.
Oh fuck, it's
Night.
night. It's fuck. Fuck, it's night. It's
Oh
fuck, it's night.
god,
Fuck,
I
it's night.
just got over to my bed, the original bed.
I'm scared. I'm boarding up this place. I'm boarding it. Screw
Uh,
it. I'm boarding it.
I found a place to stay for the night. I found a place to stay for the night.
Shoot. I'm scared. I'm
Okay,
actually scared.
I have made myself a mini bed fortress.
I found a place to stay for the night.
I'm actually kind of scared. I'm putting everything at one.
Man. Oh, okay. He's just walking away.
What the
Never
frick?
mind.
Wait, I just got attacked. Oh no. Oh, they could be below me. What the frick? I'm being attacked from below. What the heck?
Alright.
my
Oh
gosh. I
no,
have no
Russell.
more energy.
It
I
might
have
not be high enough. The
Can you
base
just
not
look
might
at me?
not.
So, do you
The
guys
frick?
see all the signs in the
I
sky?
have no energy. I have no energy. Crap. I need
You
food.
need to eat
Wait,
stuff.
how do you frickin'? I'm dying by something.
Hit G and then click on items.
Alright. So
Alright,
I'm just
okay,
gonna
I'm
follow
so scared.
Nathan and get some food. I'm gonna follow Nathan get some food.
Right. I'm going. Oh my gosh, is that a giant employee? Oh my gosh. Wait, I think I see you. Is that you? I think I see you. Let's go. Yes. It's you. Oh, there's a bunch of burgers down here.
There's a bunch of stuff up here though, because he has like
Wait.
a freaking fridge
Oh, nice.
full of burgers, lemons, and whatnot.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get up there. How did he? Oh,
think
there.
I
There's
think I took
ladders.
the only ladder away that allows you to.
Alright.
trying
Okay,
to
you're gonna
collect
need
my
some
bed.
parkour. That I have. Alright, this will basically be the safe house, okay?
Yeah, we have a safe house now, Jamie. We're at B2.
Oh, cool. B2. I'm at
B2, yeah.
G. I'm at
You have a
G2.
long way to go. To get to
G2, okay, so.
Oh look! Hey look! Nathan just led me to another house.
How many? Oh.
Oh fuck!
And that's the fun part.
Uh,
The first time I was here, an employee attacked me. But employees can't get in here, and there's another person.
Wait, is that the person that I saw earlier? Oh no, mine.
oh my god, there's an employee right there.
Oh
On
shoot.
PC.
Let me free.
I think we just stole this guy's home.
Oh crap, I placed the chair and I can't get up.
Guys.
Oh, there's
I'm
employees
scared.
coming. There's employees coming. Ah, go, 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 go. The employee's coming. Oh, okay,
Don't
okay. They're
move.
coming.
Get
They're
up.
coming. They're coming for someone else. So.
There.
Alright,
Now
we'll
they can't
use
get
that.
us.
We'll use that as a getaway, go away type of thing.
I don't even know how to angle it back to the way it was. I only know R current.
How?
Alright, so I'm at I was somewhere near G2, so as soon as it becomes day, I'll go to G2 and then I'll travel downwards from there.
Alright, when it's daytime, we're gonna find some snacks.
Alright, meet up at like F2 or something, right? No, not F2. E2.
E2.
Yeah, and then we build from there.
Alright.
How's
alright.
this? We have someone to stay here at the base. Don't lose it.
Alright, just grab everything and then we'll
No, I do.
Yeah, I kinda agree with Russell. Just grab everything and move to like E2 so we can like meet up.
yeah, so that we can make
No,
our
Yeah,
own
but we
base.
don't have enough. Just take all of it.
Alright, just eat anything. I mean, I have low energy, so I'm gonna have to do it.
Alright.
Accident.
Alright, so
What was that sound?
That was me whistling.
Oh crap! I picked up the bathtub. Oh well. See
Alright.
ya.
Pick up the burgers.
Oh, my inventory's full.
You can pick this stuff up. Is there a dude down there?
man, this is actually scary. Not good. Oh, oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Move
Okay.
move to a different sanctuary.
Okay,
Okay, so pick beds up. Stack beds. Ugh. Stack
okay.
beds
No,
to
he's
create
coming,
an
he's coming,
infinite
he's
living
coming,
space.
he's coming.
Oh!
Oh my god! The one that
I can't move because
No.
of the beds in the way.
Oh no!
I can't leave the store, you piece of shit! Fuck, ow, ow, ow,
Oh, okay, I
Fuck.
gotta go help you, Jamie.
ow, fuck. I'm dying.
Go.
I'm
I'll
dying.
distract them. I can't move.
I don't know
because
where
of
I'm
the
going.
way.
I don't know where I'm going.
Go. Come on. Okay, it's going
I'm coming back.
It's going for me. Go. He's smacking me while he's not even near me. Go back in. Go back in. I'm giving go. Alright, okay. Alright, he's gonna climb over. He's gonna climb over. Get ready. Go. Okay.
Oh god, he's okay.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. Everything's okay. Okay.
Not everything's okay.
I'm going to rape you!
Help!
He's broken in. He's broken in. He's broken in. Okay.
Sir,
The Swedish meatballs. I got Swedish meatballs.
I also
Is
got
that you,
Swedish
Steph?
meatballs. Yes!
sir.
Keep
Come on,
moving!
G7.
Yes.
G7, let's go.
We're
Come on,
going on that trip.
G7.
Our favorite rocket ship.
Flying for the sky.
We got
G7,
Swedish.
You found- Yeah, see, there's the base over there.
Nathan.
Nathan.
Nathan will
Nathan.
No,
No, fuck.